How to download Spotify on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, in order to download Spotify, what you're gonna do is first of all go to App Store. After you do that, search for Spotify. Then you can see Spotify on the top. Tap on it, then tap on Get. After you do that, App Store will ask you for your Apple ID password. You can simply enter your password over here in order to continue. After you enter your password, the app will be ready to be downloaded, and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection in order to make the downloading faster and smoother. So now you just wait for some time until the app is being installed, then the app is ready to be used. So you just have to wait for some time until the app is being installed, then you can finally use it. So this is how you can download Spotify on iPhone. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.